We are in Vieux. Just came out of the airport. If you're flying from London Heathrow, you can fly by British Airways, and from Luton and London Gatwick, you can fly by EasyJet. I think from going forward from October onwards, you can also fly by Vieux from London Gatwick. We are going to P Pro Parking as we booked our cab via booking.com, who is expected to be waiting at P Pro. So we are on our way to hotel in a taxi. So from airport, the Lyon city is about 25 kilometers. Lyon has a good transportation system, which is comprising of trams, metros, and buses. Depending on if you're traveling uh, only for exploring the free stuff or the paid attractions, you can take an option between travel card or the Lion card. Lion card includes the attractions as well. We're going to try lunch at this place, Cafe Comptoir, Abel. They have served some butter and bread to start with, and then we are going to order pike dumpling gratin, which is made of a fish in a mushroom sauce, and then a crayfish gratin, which is made of prawns um, in some spicy sauce. And these are served with brown rice, and all of them were excellent. And this is the Basilica of Notre-Dame de Fourvière. Is built between 1872 and 1896. As you have noticed, we have traveled to this place via funicular. It's about 130 meters above the city. And the legend says the Virgin Mary saved the city from plague in 1643, and that led to the Festival of Lights being celebrated in Lyon. And a nice panoramic view of Lyon city with the three skyscrapers. Roman theatres are closed, and which is just a view during the sunset. We'll explore it tomorrow.
ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు చూస్తారో ఇక్కడ ఇలాగే థియేటర్ ఇటు ప్రేయర్ అక్కడ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ థియేటర్ చీఫ్
The panoramic views of Lyon in the lights.
Lyon Basilica and the lights.
And they have showcased at one time Lyon was very popular for silk weaving and the kind of machinery they have used.
Different colors of threads there. This is a big machine they used for weaving the silk. Right. And you can also see manually you can move it here, right? On the silk thread. All the different colors. Different colors of silk threads. And then you can see the finished product here. And there is another one which they put down in the showcase. So all the small instruments which they used for manually using in the silk weaving and measuring items. And here is a finished product. You can see how nylon and the viscose, sweet cotton, plain woolen linen. This is the gold silver silk weaving machine. And you can see the gold thread there. Small little bit of it. And then this is the finished product. Wow, it's amazing, right? This is the machine they used to weave that. And this is the machine they used to take the gold and silver threads from the cotton, the wool, hot wool. చూడండి త్రాస్ అండి వెరైటీగా ఉంది
చైనా వాళ్ళు తెచ్చుకున్నారు కదా
and this is all the things which they kept in the exhibition shop here. You can buy whatever you feel like. They have a good collection. Probably in about a couple of minutes I'll pick mine. This one is 35 euros and I was told these are actually can be used by unisex, I mean like a man and woman on the dress. We came via funicular we came via funicular train. Now we are exiting towards the Roman theatre. Let us explore the Roman theatre. It is still in good shape. This is Roman theatre, but you see that actually it is still looks like one of the olden times, almost like city, right? They have lots of things. We will go a bit closer and explore them. So you can see the museum close by, Roman theatres close by. This is where people used to sit, and where I'm standing, actually shooting, people used to perform. And there isn't just one theatre, actually there are multiple theatres of here, and here we can see one more bit far off here. This is the one which is far off Roman Theatre from here, where I'm standing. And then there is one where I'm a bit closer, and you can see this one here. This is Bellacourt area, such a huge place just for some people to spend time, and probably in the winter it may be so beautiful to explore in our rounds. This is at the Bellacourt. If you have planned a vineyard visit, so you'll need to catch the bus and near the Office du Tourisme. So this building is the Office du Tourisme. So if you come here, and then they will pick you up.
So it's not going to happen now.
So
Today.
what is the right time to visit in order to see the full-size grape plant?
If you want to see the berries, it's going to be August, in the summer.
Okay.
Mascot!
Mes ancêtres dans les années 1750, environ 10 générations.
So this little village, my ancestor acquired them in 1750. At the date of the 1750, it has been the
70 ans, on arrache, on laisse reposer.
Ah, ok.
Mais après, ça fait tout, ça la donne le vent.
against the wind. The wine and we really give orange color to the wine, and it's not what we want. Not something recommended.
The maturity process
Damage
happens
the
here.
quality of the wine, and which is the
Mixing happens in this.
Moderate fermentation, but very bad anymore.
The three varieties, and we can buy a box of these three, which is for 27 euros.
So good, but I want to find good.
Oh, you already have one.
So
Wait, one for you.
just to share with a girlfriend.
Absolutely.
On the plants or into the size, but also during the vinification. Biodynamic is also recreating a rich environment around the vineyard. So as you can see here,
I don't drink that out, ladies drink that, but in India and it changes. In South it's less, in North it will be more. If you have seen northern states of India, you will see more of the things.
It's important to see where the glasses are.
Yeah, but I agree with you.
But it's really good, worth it, right? It was really good to taste.